Science at school, I was just in the top 10%. But what matters is that you're lucky and that you work hard. And Richard Feynman, the Nobel Prize winner, his IQ was only 125, but he worked hard getting himself a good mental toolbox of tricks, and he was lucky. Unanswered question. Where is most of the universe, right? We can only know about 4% of the universe, or see it. There's 20-something% dark matter, 70% dark energy, and we're in that 4% that we can see. So I like to think that out there's somebody living in that other 96%, and they think, well, we pretty well know the universe, except that missing pesky 4%. There's probably nothing important there, they think. Alone in the universe? Almost certainly not. Definitely in the solar system there is life somewhere. Probably bacterial life. There's all sorts of places where we have liquid methane and liquid water. And in the universe itself there has to be some sort of intelligent life. They're really far away. We don't know how to communicate with them. I've got no proof that there is intelligent life out there, but I'm sure that there is. Science helping us? Okay, philosophically, science is a way to not fool ourselves. Practically, anytime somebody on a Saturday night uses GPS to navigate their way to their nearest pizza bar to get some healthy saturated fats, that GPS came to us because of Einstein's theory of relativity. Science helps us in every single way and every day, down to the basics such as having clean drinking water. Space, one way of looking at space is that it is empty of solid, liquid and gas, and the number of atoms or molecules is less than, say, 100,000 per cubic metre. Secondly, space is, according to Casimir, a bubbling sea of particles and antiparticles that wink in and out of existence. And as they wink in and wink out, they leave behind this energy, this zero-point energy. And there is enough zero-point energy in my left nostril, 1 cubic centimetre, to boil dry all the oceans on Earth. And in this year, we have no idea of how to access that energy. But one day we will. Favourite space movie? Dark Star. There's a bunch of guys looking a little bit dishevelled, going around the universe, blowing up stars for the good of humanity. These might be unstable stars. And they've got a big bomb, bunch of big bombs. And one of them stays stuck to the spacecraft and wants to blow up. And they've got to talk to this intelligent bomb to convince it not to blow up or to let go or something. Great movie.